Hi dears, welcome back to our second class of 7th standard. How are you? Do you remember about the previous class? In that class we have discussed about angles, different types of angles and how to add angles. Okay, our chapter name is adding angles. In that chapter we have learned acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. These are the three types of angles that we have learned, and we learned how to add two angles. This angle is 30 degrees. So what will be the angle measurement of ABC? Angle ABD is equal to 40 degree. Angle DBC is equal to 30 degree. So angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle DBC, that's equal to 40 plus 30 is equal to 70 degree. Then we have learned in the last class. Now we know that a right angle is a measurement which is equal to 90 degree. A right angle is a measurement which is equal to 90 degree. A right angle is a measurement which is equal to 90 degree. Now, if we are drawing another angle through this vertex B, the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, is it? Now, let us consider this angle is 30 degrees, so this angle is 60 degree. The sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. A 90 degree angle is known as right angle. Now, if a right angle is divided into two angles, those two angles is always acute angles. Why? An acute angle is a measurement which is less than 90 degree. An acute angle is a measurement which is less than 90 degree. So, if a right angle is divided into two angles, those two angles is always less than 90 degree. Now, a right angle is 90 degree and another angle is drawn here as this is 40 degree, and so this angle is 50 degree. Now, if I extended this line to this side, A, B, C, D. BC is extended to this side. BC is a straight line and AB is also straight line. BC and AB are two perpendicular lines. BC is a horizontal line and AB is a vertical line. These two lines meet together to form 90 degree. The horizontal line BC and the vertical line AB join together to form the angle 90 degree. And that horizontal line BC is extended to this side. So this is also a straight line. We can give it as BE. So EC is a straight line. Since BC is a horizontal straight line and that line is extended to this side, so EC is also a straight line. Now, BE is a horizontal line and AB is a vertical line. BE is a horizontal line, AB is a vertical line. What will happen if these two lines meet together? We discussed AB is a vertical line, BC is a horizontal line. Those two lines meet together to form angle 90 degree. So BE is a horizontal line and AB is a vertical line. What happens if these two lines join together? The angle between these two lines will be 90 degree. The angle will be 90 degree. Now this angle is 90 degree. That means angle ABE is equal to 90 degree. We got that because EB is a horizontal line, AB is the vertical line. Those two lines meet together to form angle 90 degree. Already we know that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So we can write what is the sum of these two angles, angle ABE plus angle DBC is equal to what will be the measurement of those two angles? Angle ABE plus angle ABC. So angle ABC is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. That is, the angle formed in the line EC and AB is the perpendicular line. So these two angles 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. That is the angle in a straight line. The angle in a straight line is 180 degree. So what happens if a line is drawn like this and another line is drawn from this point of this line ABC. AC is a line and another line DB is drawn from the point B. So what is the sum of these two angles? Can you say? What is the sum of these two angles? Look at here. We got that the angle in a straight line is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, the angle in a straight line is 180 degree. The angle in a straight line is 180 degree. So similarly, AC is a straight line and another line DB is drawn from the point B on the same straight line. AC is a straight line and B is a point on AC and the line DB is drawn from B. Then there forms two angles. The sum of those two angles will be 180 degree. The sum of those two angles, angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to 180 degree. So angle in a straight line is 180 degree and the angle formed by the line DB from B is these two angles and the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Now if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, we call those two angles as supplementary angles. So the sum of these two angles is supplementary. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then those two angles are known as supplementary angles. And if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then those two angles are known as complementary angles. So in this case, these two angles are known as supplementary angles and the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of these two angles is 180 degree and also these two angles are known as linear pair. These two angles are known as linear pair. That is, the sum of two angles are, if the sum of two angles are 180 degree, then those two angles are known as supplementary angles. And two supplementary angles can be a linear pair when their one of the side is common to both angles. That means in angle ABD, DB is the side to angle ABD and in angle DBC, DB is also a side to the angle DBC. So both these angles have a common side, DBA and DBC. Those two angles have a common side DB. So these two angles are known as linear pair. So the sum of linear pair is 180 degree. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so let us conclude today's class. We will meet in another class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.